feels so good when you clean your filthy sneakers after so long time. And literally it took me a lot of time to clean all my sneakers. That being said, what's all going on, bro? Welcome to the video. Today I want to talk to you all about how to have an alpha male mindset, aka how to stop being a nice guy. I'm not saying that you have to be an asshole to everyone. I just want you to be a man that everybody respects. This is something what I used to do, like hiding my flaws from other people. And believe me guys, there is no one on this planet who doesn't have flaws. Everyone does. It just depends upon the person how he or she handle his or her flaws. You have got two options. Number one, accept it, own it, and there's nothing wrong. You are beautiful, you are amazing, and it's okay that you are a little weird. When you embrace this thing, it shows confidence that you don't give a damn what the other person will think. Number two, what I used to do, like hiding my flaws, let other people make fun of you, let them run all over you, and let them judge you from the shitty mindset. And at the end, you will feel miserable. I think number one is best option, right? And guys, believe me, it doesn't matter what if other person calling you immature or judging you, because when they need your help now, they will come up to you. And at that time they won't think that you're immature or they will judge you, because at that time they want their work to be done first. So guys, own it of who you are. Before I tell you the next point, let me grab my clothes and change it. One, two. This feels good. Number two, you have to look like a badass. Take yourself to the shopping and find the stuff in which you look like a badass. It doesn't matter what it is. It should be Chelsea boots or boots, sneakers. It might be leather jacket and long coat. It doesn't matter what it is. And if I talk about myself, I personally love long coats, some bands, pendant, and one of my all-time favorite, my black Chelseas. Look. And when I wear this stuff, I feel confident in myself. And most importantly, which brings me to next point. It feels so good when you start lifting up weights and your diet is on point and your clothes will fit you well, and when you will see changes in your body, you will feel confident about yourself. And next time when you talk to any girl, you feel confident and relaxed in yourself, because you will look attractive and handsome. And believe me guys, this is the most important thing which helped me develop my personality. And just remember one thing, the only investment in which you will get 100% return. It doesn't matter whether it's good or bad, it's investing in yourself. And if you don't get a time to go to the gym, just bring on these bands. I have these 3 bands with me. When I didn't get time to go to the gym, I usually do my workout at my home. We always think if we do good things to other people or if we help other people, and in return we are expecting that they will do the same. Guys, that's a very selfish thing. It's good that you are helping other people, but you have to keep this thing in mind. You have to do with no expectations. And you are doing these things so that you should be proud of yourself. You should have good feeling in you. And if you start expecting things from other people, if they want to work according to your expectations, you will feel bad. So guys, have no expectations. As a nice guy, we always have this mentality that we have to keep everyone happy. Or if anyone is upset from us, we have to say sorry, even though if it's not our fault. And we also have to keep this thing in mind, that what other person will think, even though that thing will take away your happiness. at the end you want everything fixed. Hey nice guys, I have to ask one question from you. Are you a Feviquick or Fevicol or glue stick that you want everything fixed? Guys, you're not a god or you're not a people pleaser that you have to keep everyone happy. This is your life and this is your duty that you have to keep yourself happy. Put yourself first than the other person. And it doesn't matter what you do for these people. If they want to judge you, they will judge you. This is the most important thing that you have to work on. What are your goals in life? What type of relationship you are looking for? What type of girl you want? What are the qualities that you want in your girlfriend or your wife? It's not like you are having cute or hot girlfriend and she is treating like shit. She is not even respecting you and she is wasting all of your money. No, you have to hold yourself and decide what you want. Decide what do you want from this life? Where do you want to see yourself in the future? Let's suppose if you want to go to traveling, then write this down and make a plan. What step you need to take to fulfill this dream, or what type of job you're looking for. Make plans for that and start working on that. I'm gonna wrap this video up here, and if you're still watching, I really appreciate you, bro. Hit the like button. If you are new, subscribe my channel. I'm gonna talk to you all in the next video. Stay happy.